So I'm going to give it like a little tour of my beauty room slash filming room. So as you walk in, you can see this right here. This is the one I got at Walmart. And Miss Glam Erica on Instagram gave me some motivation, inspiration to do it all fancy. I mean, hers is a lot better than mine, but I did what I could. I don't like to clutter a lot of stuff. I like to just have what I'm going to keep and then just throw the rest away. But yeah, so far that's the way it is. And on top I have my Ricky Loves Ricky mirror, some brushes, stuff I still need to sample. And then you go right there, next is my vanity. So on top of my vanity I have my original beauty box, which is my first box ever when I started on makeup stuff. On top, wait, you know what, let me turn off the fridge. Let me turn off the skincare fridge. So my skincare fridge, and look at it broke, but it still works. Okay, it's so freaking loud. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Okay, anyways, so let me turn down these lights. Much better. Okay. So on top of here, I just have my setting sprays, extra foundations, and all that. Some glitters. And then I have another original beauty box, little spinny thing. I have most of my foundations up here. Some eyeshadow palettes, some liners, lip liners, all that good stuff. Some lipsticks. Somebody's here. I think it's FedEx. And you can see me right there. Hello. Okay. And then this is my, is it Source Beauty? Source Beauty. I think I'm saying that right. I'm gonna tag them right here. Or put their name. From Sephora, collab with Sephora, so it's like a pink. Just have, it comes with this on top, and then all these drawers, which I love. My skincare fridge, my Charlotte Tilbury PR box, I'm keeping that. And then this is an also original beauty box, I believe. Yes, see, original. My sister-in-law Andrea didn't want it anymore, so she handed it to me. Thank you, Andrea. And then my Sigma tower to dry my brushes, which is amazing. And then those are the Pixie PR boxes. Yeah, I have them like everywhere. Oh, this one was my first Pixie PR box. Anyways, so let me show you, let me back up the view of that part. So that's like all my makeup collection. All these drawers are full and unorganized, so I don't want to show you that. But yeah, this, and now let me show you the filming area. But hold on. Okay, so this is the filming side. It's just right next to my vanity. But this is the filming side. I have 3 box lights plus a ring light. These box lights come in a kit, I believe like 150 or 70. But this is my top one, these are my 2 sides. And the ring light, you can like make it brighter or dim it and all that. But yeah, that's my table. So this is, let me move this light right here since I'm not filming right there. So this is my backdrop holder that I got on Amazon, and look at like the way I place the light. Yeah, that's how I hold them with boxes. But and then I got these backdrops from Amazon. I believe they're $49 or $39. I'll leave all the links down below. But I have an orange one, I have a gray one, I have a pink one. I need to get more, but I need to do little by little. And then of course I have a little background already set up. So I'm going to put this one away and then show you guys my YouTube background. I usually just leave it because you can't see it all the way up there for YouTube or any of the videos. But it's a hassle to take it off and put it back on. So I just leave it. So that is my filming setup. This is like mainly for my YouTube, sometimes Instagram. But I got my 2 PR boxes up there from Pixie. And then I got my lipstick sign from Hobby Lobby. My Hello Neon sign from Hobby Lobby. My lips from Hobby Lobby. My Queen sign from For Her Vanity on Instagram. Plus my lashes from For Her Vanity on Instagram. My flowers from Hobby Lobby. And then I got these signs at the Dollar Tree. My mom actually found these. And then I got Makeup Molly, her collab with Dalton Beauty that she sent over, and I'm obsessed with these brushes. But I had to keep that, and I kept her little champagne bottle. Brush holders, these are like pink brushes that I kept from Sigma and Morphe, just because they're limited edition. Beauty blender. But yeah, oh. My Anastasia Shimmer Body Oil, my Tarte, that was so cute, and another one of those goodies. But yeah, this is, let me show you guys the other side. So this is what I see. Ooh, hello there. This is what I see when I'm filming. Look at how bright. Normally this light is like a little more over here, but since I had to do it like a walk path, right? And then my mic right there. But yeah. This is what I see, how bright. That's why I get hot so easy when I film videos. This is the top of my filming area. It must have a water. It must have a mirror. My beauty sponges. My main filters. My main primers, setting sprays. My main brushes that I usually go to. Brush cleaners, because I usually do the paper towels and stuff like that. But yeah, so this is a little, and then my little mirror, and then my tripod for like Instagram stories. But yeah, this is the setup. 2 lights, one on top, 2 on the side, on each side, and then a ring light right there, and there's my tripod for my camera. So I hope this helps some of you that are trying to set up to do your YouTube videos. So that's my setup right there. I'm still trying to get the right one, but I think I got what I like. Hope you guys enjoyed it. My little filming setup in my beauty, half my beauty room. Because the other half is hubby's. But, because I know a lot of people want to see how it's set up. And a lot of people don't show it. But I wanted to show you guys, ouch, how it's set up, because I know it helps a lot. When I barely started, I just had these 2 box lights. We have 2 extra ones for product shots, but I just had those 2 box lights. That's how I started. Then later on the ring light came, and then all these 3. But and then before I would just use a ring light for Instagram videos. So if you just have the ring light, it's still good. You don't need all this lighting. Trust me, you don't. But came a long way. I love the way it's set up right here on the side. This used to be over there, but since I want to do half and half filming, yeah, let me turn off the lights so I can show you my lights for the background. And those are my little lights. Look how pretty. That's the thing about sucks that you can't really see it on camera because of all the lights. But I love this hello sign. I got at Hobby Lobby. And then these curtain lights I also got at Hobby Lobby. So pretty. I love the way it looks. Like I wish I can film like that. I actually want to do like a glow in the dark makeup tutorial. Or low lighting makeup tutorial, something like that. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys want to see my makeup collection and I can organize all the drawers. But yeah. I'll see you guys in my next video.